This is why 90% of traders fail. And yes, I was one of them. I started trading in 2020 and for years I was unprofitable. After making money on accounts, losing it, and then eventually blowing the accounts. Continuously that cycle for many years. As well as I thought I had a strategy, but I just clearly didn't. My psychology was a mess and I just didn't understand the meaning of trading and the concepts it took to become the 1%. I was over leveraging accounts and trying to flip 1K to unrealistic returns. It was just an endless cycle. For a long time I thought my strategy was the problem. Always ended up changing my strategies, looking for 100% win rate strategies and looking for just complete profits and just strategies that just wouldn't lose. It wasn't possible. That's just not a realistic aim. It just wasn't a thing. I was revenge trading, going back into trades after taking a loss. I just had no discipline within the markets, and the markets really humbled me. It really took a lot of my money. Then everything changed. It was about accountability. It was about fixing myself within and my psychology. Psychology was the main reason to how I became profitable today. Number one, most people are not trading, they're guessing. They don't have no clear edge within the market. They haven't put in the hours of back testing and forward testing to understand their strategy. State 2, emotions take over. This was one of the big things when I was starting off trading. My emotions, seeing the money go from hundreds to thousands to zero. It can take a lot out of you if you're not used to that. And yeah, that very took a toll when I first started to trade. Like that feeling of like just the money going up and down is just different at the start, man. You really have to adapt to that, and it's very difficult, but it takes time and you get there in the end. Number 3, risk management. I was risking way too much on single trades and not looking at it with over a long period of time, whether that's a month, a quarter. And yeah, because I definitely would have found profitable within a few years into trading if I had a proper risk management structure, whether that's risking like 1%, 2% per trades, then I definitely would have became profitable a bit quicker. Number 4, revenge trading. Or jump back into the markets, trying to recoup everything I've lost. It just didn't work. It's an endless cycle of downward spirals doing the revenge trading. You're better off taking a step back, reevaluating, and then going again. Once I realized it wasn't the markets, it was me, that's when it really started to change. That's when I started to see a growth in my trading. 90% of traders fail because they don't fix their mistakes. If you want to be within the 10%, I suggest you work on these key takeaways. And yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And yeah, join the free community. The link is in the description. And yeah, thank you for watching.